Okay, now for our next video. The equipment cost for golf is $392. There's a $175 membership charge of belonging to the course and the cost of $650 each round you golf. The round trip transportation cost is $220. Find the total cost of the activity if you golf for 15 rounds and make 21 trips. Now, he pays this once because it doesn't say per or each. He pays this once, O-N-C-E. He does not pay this once. He pays it each round. Okay? And then the round trip, he does not pay this. It's per trip. Okay? Per P-E-R trip. So we have all these money amounts. The $392 is paid just once. And then the $175 was paid just once. And then the $650 was paid each round. So plus $650. But if it's each round, we need to times that by how many rounds there were. So each round, well, there was 15 rounds. So times 15 plus 220. But that's per trip. Well, how many trips were there? 21. So he paid this 21 times. Now I need to multiply these first. I need to take 6.50 times 15, and that's $97.50. And then I take 2.20 times 21, and that's $46.20. Okay, now add them up. 392 plus 175 plus 97.50 plus 46.20. So that's $710.70. Okay, next problem. The equipment cost of skiing at a resort is $572.75. That's paid just once. Okay. There's a charge of $19.85 per ski lift, so it says per ski lift. There's also a round trip transportation fee of $26.50 per trip. Find the total cost of the activity if you use 22 lifts and make 15 trips to the resort. So he pays $572.75 once. Then $19.85, but he doesn't do that once. It's every time there's a ski lift. Well, there's 22 ski lifts, so we need to times that by 22. Plus, and then we got $26.50. But that's per trip, so we need to times that by the trips, which is 15. Okay, so I need to do my multiplication first to find out how much money came out of that. So 19.85 times 22 is 436.7. So 436.70, and then 26.50 times 26.50 times 15 is $397.50. Then we add, okay? So 572.75 plus 436.70 plus 397.50, and I get $1,406.95. Okay, the next problem. The equipment cost of bowling is $56.20. The equipment is just paid once. There's a charge of $225 per game, so that's times the games you bowl. There's also a round-trip transportation cost of $180 per trip. Find the total cost of the activity if you bowl 26 games and make 12 trips. So we paid the $56.20 once. Then we paid $225, but that's per game, so that needs to be multiplied by the number of games, which we know is 26. Plus $180 per trip, so $1.80 times the trips, which is 12. So we have to figure these two things out. 2.25 times 26 is 58.5. So again, that's $58.50. And then I take $1.80 times 12, and that's $21.60. Okay, then we add these up. 56.20 plus 58.50 plus 21.60. $136.30. Okay, last problem. The equipment cost for tennis is $122.75. That's once. $55 membership fee. That's once. Cost of $12.75 per hour. So that would be multiplied by the hours you were at the courts. And there's a round trip transportation cost of $165. Now that means per trip. Okay. So $122.75, that's paid once, plus $55, that's paid once, plus $12.75 per hour, so that'd be $12.75 times the hours, which is 30, and then plus $1.65, that's per trip. So that's times by the trip, and that's 21. Okay, so 12.75 times 30 is $382.50. Okay, and then $1.65 times 21, that's $34.65. Okay, then we add these four values up. So 122.75 plus 55 plus 382.50 plus 34.65. $594.90. Okay, now on the back side you have 5 to do. Okay. Now, one thing you want to put per trip right here, per trip, okay? Okay, everything else looks, some of these are a little bit confusing, the wording. 135 is per trip, okay? That one should be good. And then that one should be good, okay? So those couple you want to put per trip, okay? Circle that. That means if it's per trip, you're not just paying it once. You're paying every time there's a trip.